Hello everyone, hope you are doing good today. I'm going to just give a small tip to you, window tip. So suppose you want to snap your window, one option is to drag and do this. If you drag it here, it will tell you how you can arrange your window like this if you want, or you can do like this, you can do like this, and you can do like this. So if you take it here, it will maximize. If you take it here, it will be like it will be aligned to left of your screen halfway. If you do this, it will align right of it. So there is another option which I want to show you. So you can press Windows Z. In India we call it Windows Z, or someone called Z. So basically you have to press Windows Z and see what happens. So I'm pressing it, Windows Z. So you can see, like, okay, so this will come, and you can choose this one. So basically it will align the current window to this one. Okay, see, so it will automatically align like this. So if you don't want to do it manually, just press Windows Z and do like this, how you like. Okay, and here you can select any one of the window which should be aligned like this. Okay, so just press C. I'll experiment some more. So it's like this, you can see window like this. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can use this, just press Windows Z, and then this option will be available for you. So thanks for watching, have a great time ahead. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what else you want. So I'll make videos, and thank you, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.